Rashmita. So welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a very random, very miscellaneous sort of a body shop haul. Now these are random because these do not belong to any particular range or any particular flavor. I just picked this up randomly because well, some of these I really wanted to. Some of these were like really useful. So anyway, I'm going to be starting with today's haul and some reviews. So let's quickly get started. First thing which I have with me today is the Body Shop's Vanilla Body Mist, and this is again 100 ml for 795 rupees. So this is what the thing looks like. Now if you have previously watched my Body Shop Strawberry edition haul and review, if you haven't, just go and watch it. It will be here either in the description box or I'll be linking it down here. So this is the vanilla edition. Now this one smells really amazing. This one has this very specific warm vanilla sort of a fragrance, and I absolutely love this one. And so because I got this one and I love this vanilla range, I picked up the Body Shop's vanilla EDT as well. So this is what the thing looks like, and this is 30 ml for 845 rupees. Recently I think they have increased their price, so I got this one for 845, but now they've made it to 945 I think. So this one of course again smells so delicious, but the only difference is that this one has a little more warmer smell to it than that one. This is more like a vanilla caramel sort of a fragrance. That is like a plain vanilla sort of a fragrance, which I didn't see in the strawberry range. In the strawberry, both of them smelled exactly the same way. This has a little bit of a difference to it, so that is all. If you're someone who likes vanilla fragrances, you should definitely give this one a try. Give the Body Mist a try, because I just feel this one is okay, but that one smells absolutely amazing. It lasts really long, and I mean, if you're someone who likes vanilla fragrances, you'll definitely love this one. Now the next thing which I have is this Body Shop's Vineyard Peach Body Mist for 100 ml, and this one is 795. This is what the thing looks like. I love using Body Shop perfumes. It's like they are so nice. They smell exactly the way they're supposed to smell. I mean, if like this can be clearly like segregated into a summer and a winter fragrance. This is a very summery fragrance. The vanilla is a very wintry fragrance. This one and the strawberry, they are perfect for summers. I mean, like, you will feel so happy the moment you put them on. Like, yeah, the summers come, you just switch on the Body Shop perfume button and it's summers. This one smells really nice. I've already used this one quite a lot of it, and I mean, I kind of spritz this everywhere. I spritz it on myself, I spritz this in the room. It kind of makes it smell so nice. So yeah, this was the next thing which I picked up. Now the next thing which I have is this Body Shop's Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist, 60 ml, and retails for 795 rupees. Of course, I got this one for a 50% off. Now this is what it looks like, by the way. And the reason I picked this one up and not the strawberry was because it was not available, and or I think I missed it to be the strawberry. I don't know. I just wanted to pick the strawberry one, not this rose one, but I picked this one up. Either it was because the strawberry was out of stock or I couldn't find it. This one, the fragrance actually is not very fine. So this is what the thing looks like. It's not a very fine sort of a fragrance, and it's cool if you want to, like, rehydrate your face or something. But I mean, if I'm planning to do my makeup, I won't use this one below it because it takes time to dry. I mean, it settles like small like how to say this, like small dots or small dewy things. It takes a little bit of time to like dry out or get absorbed, which is a little bit of a problem for me. But if you just plan to just spritz it all over your face as a nice hydration or a moisture boost, you can definitely try this one on. But I don't think it's very worth purchase for 60 ml. So much price is not worth. Now the next thing which I have is this Body Shop's Fuji Green Tea Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub, 250 ml for 1195. This is what the thing looks like, and yeah, this is totally worth it. I have used this like 3 to 4 times. I'll show you the consistency. It's again very gel like. It's very much like the body yogurt from the strawberry range. This one smells absolutely like those Nimbu Pani. What is the Nimbu Pani? Nimbu Pani is like very basic, like those mint green teas which you get during the summers. It's just so nice and refreshing. I mean, after a really long, hectic, tiring day in the summers, I know this is winters, but anyway, after those long, tiring, hectic day in the summers, coming back to this, a cool shower with this one is going to be so energizing. And the price point, like the amount you get for the price, which is like around 1200, is so totally worth it. And I guess you can find this for a 50% off most of the time. Like the Fuji green tea and I guess the cucumber, the Zesty lemon, they are on a sale for 50% off like most of the time. So pick it up. Definitely pick this one up. This is lovely. Now the next thing which I have is this Body Shop's British Rose Petal Soft Hand Cream for 30 ml, retails for, I think this one was a 295 or 395. This is what the thing looks like. Okay, this is really nice. This smells really nice. It's really lightweight, really nice. I mean, I won't call it a winter hand cream because in winter it's really a little too thin and a little too runny for your hand. But on summers you can definitely use this, because if you're someone who kind of uses, like, you wash your hands very often, or you tend to, like, wash your dishes, wash your clothes, and you tend to get super dry hands, definitely try this one out. But I would call it a winter hand cream because it's not that moisturizing for your hands. I mean, I personally don't like very greasy hand creams, so I think this one works for me. Of course, another reason is that, I mean, again, I wanted to get the strawberry one, I couldn't find it. So this one, as well as the body mist, it's all because I wanted to get the strawberry, I couldn't find it, so I just bought this one. This one smells really nice. And of course, I've done my Vows haul and reviews, in which I also mentioned the Vows hand cream, which I think is a little more, the quantity is more than this one, and I think the price is also less. So if you have not checked that out, you can also check that out. I'll also link the video in the description box below, so do give it a watch. And now the last product from this random range is this Body Shop Amazonian multi-purpose balm. So it claims to improve the appearance of tattoos, skin marks, and more. So this is 50 ml, retails for 1045. I have used this just once, I won't lie. Like, I just used this one side to say this is what the thing looks like from outside. I'll show you. This is what it looks like from the outside, and this is what the thing looks like. I've used this just once. I mean, very lightly. I've just used it like that just to see the consistency. It's pretty greasy, pretty oily. I don't have a tattoo, so I don't really need to use this balm for my tattoos and everything. I just picked up because there was this person in the shop who was like, "Ma'am, use this. It's gonna be good for your skin. I mean, it's gonna be useful. Just pick this one up." Again, it was for 50% off. She was like coaxing, "Okay, try this, try this." That's why I was like, "Okay, let's give it a try." But then I got to know it doesn't really help me in much. But of course, I've got severe cracked heels as well, cracked heels, cracked elbows, knees. You can try this one there because it's a very pretty greasy and a heavy duty balm. Like, it's going to be very useful for people who have got very dry skin, or if you have not been taking care of your skin for the longest time. You can try this one out, but I don't really find this one very helpful. So for me, it is not really worth another purchase. So well, yeah, that was all for today's video. This was all of my random Body Shop things which I picked up, mostly because I couldn't find the strawberry versions of those. So anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe and the notification bell button next to it so you never miss an update. And I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.